Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about insurance. What is insurance? There are two elements that must be available. Not formally calculable the probability of loss and the alternate cost. Probability of loss is really an empirical extract because it has more to do with the ability of reasonable person is possession of a copy of the insurance policy and approve of the claim asserted with a claim persons under the policy to make a reasonable decision or objective evaluation the amount of the loss recoverable as a result of the claim. Insurable loss and entirely independent and non-catastrophic, meaning that the loss do not happen and not until individual loss and not several to the benefit of the insured. Insurance might prefer to limit their export to loss profit single in one to some small protection of their capital base. Capital cost insurance liability to third-party insurance as well as wind insurance is concerned. In the United States, the federal government food rights in specifically evolved area. In commercial fire insurance, it is possible to find single property whose total export value is building access to an individual's insurance capital considered. Such property are generally shared among several insurers or are insured by single insurers than the rest of the insurance market. When a company insures an individual entity under basic legal requirement and regulation, several commonly issued legal services of insurance imports. Indemnity, the insurance company indemnifies or consult the insurer in the case of the certain only of the insurance interest. Benefit insurance, as it is stated in the study books of the Charles Insurance Institute, the insurance company does not have the right of recovery from the part of caused the injury unless compared the insurance records of the files of the insurer have already to the neglect part of the damage from example personal accident insurance. Insurable interest and insurance typically most directly suffer from the loss. Insurable interest loss asserted by the property insurance or a person in inflow. The concept requires that the insurer have a stake in the loss or damage to the life or property insured, but the stake will be determined the kind of the insurance envelope and the nature of the property ownership relationship between other persons. The record of an insurable interest in with insurance for the smart good fight. Abnormal fights the insured that insurer are bound the good fight when honesty and fairness mathematical must be considered. Contribution insurers which have similar applicants to the insurer contribute in the indemnification according to some method. Subrogation, the insurance company has legal right to propose recovery on behalf of the insurer. For example, the insurance may also applicable for the loss insured loss. The insurers can waive the obligation rights by using the special clause. As proxima or proximate cause, the cause of the loss repaired must be covered under the insurance agreement of the policy, and the dominant cause must be exposed. Mitigation in case any loss, actually the asset owner must attempt to keep loss at a minimum as the asset was insured. To indemnify means to make well again or reassert the position that one was in the extent possible prior to the happening of a specific event or period. Accordingly, life insurance is generally not considered to be indemnity insurance, but rather contingent insurance claim is on the assurance of a specific event. The different types of insurance contract to identity on insurance. Pay reimbursement policies, pay on behalf or on behalf of police, and indemnification policies. From an insured standpoint, the result is usually the same. The insurer pays the loss, the claims to expense. If the insurer has a reimbursement policy, the insurance can be requested to pay for a loss and then be reimbursed by the insurance carrier for the loss and out-of-pocket costs, including the permission of the insurance claim expense. Under a pay on behalf policy, the insurance carrier will defend and pay the claim on behalf of the insurance who will not be out-of-pocket for anything. As modern liability insurance is written on basic on a behalf language, which enable the insurance carrier to manage and control the claim. Okay guys, this is the description about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe YouTube channel, and see you next time.